Hi guys, today we're going to take a ride on the Disneyland Matterhorn Bobsleds, Walt Disney's dream project. Climb into a 6-person bobsled and brace yourself against howling winds as you ascend 80 feet up into an icy cave. Take in the sweeping views at the summit and prepare for a thrilling, high-speed ride. Swoop in and out of shadowy caves and along jaggedy, rocky ledges. Throttle through snowy chutes and around frozen precipices. Fly across bridges and under waterfalls before splashing down into an alpine lake. The real peril is not snow or sleet. Stories abound of a growling creature known as the Abominable Snowman, who will do anything and everything to protect his home.